when a German scientist, Alfred Wegener, proposed that the continents of the Earth had been attached together when it first formed, but then drifted in different directions and thus separated as they moved away from each other. This theory of Wegener's was proved in the 1980s. It was found that the 6 major plates and several small ones, which form the crust and the uppermost part of the mantle, were in constant motion. According to the theory called plate tectonics, these plates move about on Earth, carrying continents and the ocean floor with them. This motion has been measured at 1 to 5 centimeters per year. Consequently, this produces a slow change in Earth's geography. Each year, for instance, the Atlantic Ocean becomes slightly wider. Science discovered this only recently. The fact that it was revealed 14 centuries ago in the Quran is, without doubt, another of the book's many miracles. You see the mountains you reckon to be solid, going past like clouds. God referred to the motion of the mountains in the verse of the Quran. Today, scientists use the term continental drift for this motion. It is without doubt.
Hello everyone, peace of Christ to all. As you see in the screen, we showed you how Muslims do play with their, with their videos, and they play with their words. And here we will see something very important. The verse is in front of you. The verse saying clearly, you see the mountains you rocked on, be sold going past like a cloud. Like cloud. So the mountains, they look like they are fixed for you. They are not. They will be moving like cloud. But in the video, he was not talking about mountains even. The science discovery he showed us, it's not about mountains, it was about the tectonic plate. It was not about mountains. So why he was talking about tectonic plates when the verse is about mountains? The video he showed us is proving that tectonic plates, they are moving. It's not the mountains. The mountains, they are in the top of the tectonic plate. The tectonic plate, it's not the mountain. Mountains is a small part of those tectonic plates. We are in the top of those, you and me and our cars and our houses and our trees and our mountains and our valleys and our rivers and our lakes, all of them, they are in the top of that. So when this man, he played with this video, he tried to make the tectonic plate as if they are the mountains, when the video or the science discovery that he's talking about is talking about the tectonic plate is moving. And it's moving in the speed of 1 centimeter a year. That's what he said. And here the verse is talking about mountains moving as a cloud. As a cloud. Now, do cloud move 1 centimeter a year? What happened to the cloud? Like, why? Cloud move very fast, simply because they will be pushed by the wind, and the earth itself is moving around itself, which means even if we have the cloud fixed in its place, even if we fix the cloud there, still we will not have the cloud there. Why? Because the earth is going to move around itself 24 hours 7 non-stop. So this is a verse have nothing to do with the tectonic plate, but he is a Muslim. He have to make it about tectonic plates. Now if we go and read some verses in the Quran, we will see the following, that mountains are the same as nails. And we will see a verse saying that they are firmly fixed. And if we go to his verse, we will see the verse saying that you think they are firmly fixed. No, they are not. You see it? You think they are firmly fixed, but they are not. So now, when the Muslims talk about this, trying to fool others, actually they are helping us to expose Islam, because now we showed that this have nothing to do with the mountains and they are lying. It's about tectonic plates. Secondly, the speed of those mountains, they will be past the same as a cloud, which means a very, very high speed. The tectonic plate, as he said, they move 1 centimeter a year. If we go to the different verse, or we go over the Quran, we will see how many contradictions the Quran, is full of. Because in one verse, like here, it says, you think they are firmly fixed? Like, do you think? When I say to you, you think so, it means they are not. You think they are? For sure, no. Why? Because they shall pass away as the cloud pass away. If you go and read the explanation of the verse, you will see the verse or the explanation, and you can check by yourself. You don't have to listen to me. You can go to a Jalalain explanation, and you will see that Jalalain is saying clearly that those mountains, they will pass away in the way they will disappear. It's not about them they are moving only, it's about them they are moving away and they are shrinking. When it's according to science, not according to me, mountains grow by size every year. Every year. Which means the Himalaya mountain, we have it now, it was not the same 1,000 years ago. It was smaller. Now it's bigger. Because every year the earth, the crust of the earth making more pressure, and the mountain is going to go up by time. Now I'm sure Muslims, they will say it's not there, he is lying. Read with me. And you see the mountains, you notice them as the moment of blessed, supposing them to be still stationary in their space or their place because of their tremendous size. So because of their size, you think they are there. You think they are going to stay there or staying there. Why? They drift like passing clouds. You see, they are like passing clouds. They are going, they are leaving. The tectonic plate is not passing like a cloud, and it's not leaving. We are leaving with it. Not only the mountains leaving. Like, do you see the mountain? He was next to your house 10 years after you found him in different city. The tectonic plate, all of it, it's moving. Not the mountain is moving. And here he's talking about the mountain. So you think they are there, but they are drifting in like a manner until they fall in the ground, fall to the ground. So those mountains will disappear even in the ground, which is very fast, because we knew that according to science, mountains are growing year by year up, not going down. This is not true. So it is not about the movement of the mountains, it is the tectonic plate. Now if we go and see in different verse, contradicting this verse, we will see this one, 79 verse number 32. And the mountains has he firmly fixed. Okay, a second ago he just said to us, you think they are firmly fixed? Now he says he firmly fixed them. Like, which one now we should follow? Is it firmly fixed, or they are passing like a cloud? One of them have to be wrong. Two of them right, no way. Either they are, you think they are firmly fixed, but they are not, they are passing like a cloud, or you say to me they are firmly fixed. Read it, it's in front of your eyes. This is 79:32. It's a very huge contradiction for the other verse in the Quran. And here you will see that the Quran saying clearly that Allah, he put the mountains on the top of the earth as pegs, as nails. He nailed them in the ground, which means they are extremely fixed. Which is very false, by the way, about being like nails, because nails is something coming from the top of the thing going inside. When the mountains, they are coming from inside to the top. They are part of the earth. They are not something put in it. If you go and read the explanation of this verse, you will see the following. Something very funny, and it will prove another mistake in the Quran. Actually everything in there we are reading, it's a mistake. And has set the mountains on the face of the earth, so that it is stay still. So it is the earth is staying still, and the mountains stay still. A second ago he was telling us that the tectonic plate is moving. In this verse it says clearly that the mountains, he put it down in the earth, so he fixed the earth so that it doesn't move. So how Allah He said that He put those mountains to fix still the earth when they are moving, as you see, as He said in the video. This is another contradiction. The earth, the tectonic plate is moving when Allah He put the mountain in the top of them to fix them, but He could not make it. They are moving. He like it, He don't, they are moving. Jesus is Lord. Islam only for fool. Ameen. And follow with me with the coming video. Thank you.